Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlets are not working. This video will apply to F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026, possibly newer, so after the facelift. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. All of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery, right here. Now first you have to remove this cover, so I'll try to zoom in and have the flash on. So there's like a tab here, you want to press it and just lift up and remove that cover. It's a bit tight space here, but doable. And here are all of the fuses. And you want to check these three blue 20 amp fuses right here. This one, and this one. These are fuses 27, 28 and 29. So these are the power outlets fuses. Now in case all of these fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to test the faulty power outlet, check the wiring, check the electrical connection, test if the power is coming to the outlet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.